Okay, Josh has got a rock out Stargate. This is on a G80. This one is an octopus parachute. So Josh, we're going to fly Stargate with the octopus parachute in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. That's right. What? Jellyfish or octopus?
That's an octopus.
Okay, rockets are actually drifting. Okay, heads up. We're going to want to tip those pads away from us a little bit.
That is an awesome parachute.
All right.
Woo! Hey, that was.
This is Joshua's Innovate on a G74 white in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Where did you get an injection charge in there, buddy?
3 grams.
How much did you say?
3.
3 grams? That's insane. Whirl and Hurl. Josh Princey's out himself. This is on a Estes E12. And it covers by its own built-in field. E12.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.